food retail chain Spar and Mr. Beast launched a summer campaign, Spin a Winner, to promote the launch of Feastables chocolate bars in the UK. Customers could spin the wheel online and in physical stores to win unique prizes. According to Spar, the virtual wheel alone had over 333,000 spins, resulting in 68,623 prize vouchers won. This type of sales tactic, using spin to win promotion, is a perfect example of how gamification works, and you too should try it in your store. Let me explain. Even if you don't sell delicious chocolate, you do have access to top-of-the-line Printful products with premium customization techniques to offer to your customers. Gamification, such as spin-to-win promotions, hooks into our natural love for excitement and rewards, making shopping more fun and interactive. When there's a chance to win prizes, it builds excitement and keeps customers interested, leading to more involvement and, in the end, more sales as people get caught up in the thrill of possibly winning something. Here are some examples of what rewards you can include in your spin to win promotion. A buy one get one free offer that may apply to your best-selling product, like a t-shirt, where a t-shirt of a different color is offered for free. Giving a gift with every purchase where you include products with lower fulfillment prices, such as stickers, scrunchies, patches, and coasters. Variations of a discount coupon that applies to the total order value or specific product collection. Such an offer may increase the average order value per customer and help you upsell your premium priced products. Once your shoppers get a reward, you can also include the option to subscribe to your emails. Not only can your store visitors become buyers, but they can join your mailing list to be the first to know about future promos. Remember to include the option to opt out of any email communication. Gamifying your in-store promotions is a win-win scenario. As a store owner, you don't lose anything by using this during a sales event, nor do you force your shoppers to participate. Your customers only gain from your gamified experiences. Their curiosity gets rewarded with access to offers, which they can enjoy when buying something from you. Here's an idea of how to present it on your site. Lead the customers to your Spin the Wheel page from a hero banner on your homepage. Use it to bring attention to the sales event. Clearly state what needs to be done, what can be won, and when the promotion is active. Such an approach invites the customer to explore the site. It's best to avoid disruptive pop-ups that cover the entire screen, as they block basic navigation and might prompt your customers to leave. If you want to give Spin to Win promotions a go, look through your e-commerce platform's plugins or app store. Find the one you like and personalize it to match your brand's visual identity. So what makes gamification, and in particular Spin the Wheel, so compelling? According to an expert, Yu-Kai Chou, gamification is a design that focuses on how people feel and enjoy things, not just how well they work. He condensed years of research and personal experience in the Octalysis framework, which identifies 8 main aspects, or core drivers, of what motivates us as people. The 7th core drive, unpredictability and curiosity, explains that gamified experiences such as Spin to Win emphasize the human desire for excitement, surprise, and the unknown, motivating engagement through unexpected outcomes and the allure of discovery. I recommend looking at Yu-Kai Chou's book, Actionable Gamification, Beyond Points, Badges, and Leaderboards, to learn about other ways of creating engaging activities for your customers. So, I'm curious to know, have you ever tried a Spin to Win promo? Did it enhance your customers' shopping experience and sales? I'd love to hear your stories and insights. Share them in the comments below.